Don't leave nothing out. We wear matching pants too.
We are.
So today we have another mukbang for y'all, and today is Little Caesars. So we got cheese pizza and Italian cheese bread. So this is gonna be good. Somebody was nosy. It's gonna be good. Ooh, thumbnail, baby.
This look good. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Ooh, wait, hold on. Get there. Dang.
We got it already.
No, we didn't. I had the box like this. This is cheesy. You want to dig into these first?
Sure do. Thanks, Mama.
You welcome, baby. This is what they look like. Oh, he's hot. Definitely need some drink.
Real garlicky.
Where's the cheese? I don't know. I don't know why.
I think I gotta try one more slice.
That was fresh.
Leak all of those things up is that I'll be hot and ready.
Like, we got like 2 minutes.
Like 15.
It's hot. We have nothing to talk about again because this was not planned. That scared me so bad. But you pushed the button.
Oh. I mean, it's all saucy. They put the sauce right in the middle.
That's annoying.
This the one that had us messed up the last time. This Little Caesars.
Way too much sauce.
It ain't cooked, the heck?
It ain't crunchy.
Yeah, it ain't crunchy now. Good though.
Burn my dang lip.
Talk about your boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
All your boyfriends.
I ain't got no boyfriends. Let's talk about all your boyfriends.
I ain't calling them for real.
Me neither, for real.
Because you are trifling. And I'm tired of it.
This is what we tired of. I know not all of them are the same, but 95% of them are the same. It's crazy.
I'm jealous of her big wheel.
Like, we had this intense conversation yesterday about how we're not picky. We just not gonna be settling just for some money.
Dumb.
Yeah.
Give me this phone.
So, and it
Should ask
sucks.
them to cook this extra well done.
We should have. It's just like literally. I mean, it ain't horrible. I'm just having a problem with how much sauce they put on here. That's too much sauce.
Tastes good to me.
We should have got the extra cheesy.
Y'all probably not gonna get no burps in this video because I don't got nothing to drink. But I might surprise myself and just burp.
We're gonna need something to drink fast. But this is a lot of bread.
Bread is so good.
Mm. All that sauce, boy. I can't do it. This exact pizza with all this sauce made me hate pizza for quite a while. So I gotta be careful.
What's your favorite pizza place?
Papa John's, hands down. I don't have that much, but got some good stuff. And then next, of course, Domino's.
Mine is Pizza Hut. I love me some Pizza Hut.
I can't really tell the difference between Pizza Hut and Domino's. What's that? That's your second slice?
You see it's from my left?
Okay, I didn't know how much I ate. That one is just too saucy. I could already see it.
Which one?
This one. All three of them. I just can't mess with it. I'm gonna have to scrape that one clean. Like just,
So you don't want this one?
no, I don't want that one. That one's too saucy. Hello, Shaquille O'Neal. He ain't a freaking for real while he driving. Why he looking at us? This is good. It's pretty good.
You said it was nasty.
All that sauce, I just scraped off. Nasty. I'm sorry.
I'm a sauce lover. Well, no, not all sauces. But I like dipping stuff in sauce.
The ranch.
Ranch is amazing.
But
Mustard?
tomato sauce? Ugh.
Marinara sauce. Ugh.
Yeah.
Damn.
We both opposite with that. Like all this sauce, y'all, I need it to be blank in order for me to like it. I could do Costco sauce. I don't know why, but Little Caesars is just too damn. I don't know.
So,
We just jumped so many topics.
oh, we go talk about.
Maybe y'all can give us advice. Cause I mean, I want a boyfriend, yeah, but sometimes I don't. You know, because they're just not. I know what I'm looking for. It's not like I'm looking for like 6'1", gotta have a bachelor's degree. No, I'm just looking for somebody that can be responsible, have the same things I have, pretty much. If that makes sense. Like, I don't want to talk to a guy that's just sitting at home smoking weed. Because I'm not sitting at home smoking weed. You know? Shit, I am. I'm lying. I don't smoke weed. She don't smoke weed. There ain't nothing wrong with that. But some guys that literally do nothing but smoke weed. They ain't got no job.
That's
don't
annoying.
School, don't drive. Don't have no social life. Like,
It's annoying when they Snapchat every time a day they smoking weed.
like, oh God, you're cool. You're smoking weed. Oh my God.
Like, you smoking again? It ain't my business though.
Keep that same energy when you wake up in the morning and try to find something productive to do. How about that? Oh my God, Jason McCartney.
That's Daniel Radcliffe to him.
Don't do that to him.
Blonde head Daniel Radcliffe.
I know Daniel Radcliffe.
That's not Justin McCartney.
And ain't Daniel Radcliffe. Look at this shaggy dog. I'm making her
Don't say nothing.
happy. I'm making her happy.
Don't say
What are you
nothing.
laughing at? You know Robert. Robert. No, it's Robert.
I got a burp virus. Whatever. I don't think it's gonna come up. We got a dilemma.
Why? I can't tell which one is saucy.
They both saucy.
This one I can see through the pizza.
Today was about 110 degrees in LA, right? Wait, what you laughing at?
You really gonna tell them what we did, boy?
Yes.
Oh God.
So yesterday we went and just sat by the beach because
And it felt so good.
it felt good.
The temperature literally drops 20 degrees.
So then today we went to the same place to sit by the beach. But in this area, it was like the waves were like perfect noise-wise, and the people was just frolicking around and laughing and shit. So then we just in the car, and then I lay down, and then within 2 seconds I'm knocked out. And then I don't know how much longer it was later. I feel like it was like 30 minutes.
I was going to say 2 hours.
Nah, like maybe 30 minutes later, I wake up and then she say, "We gonna wake up because what you say?"
Somebody gonna kidnap us.
She said,
Somebody gonna rob us.
"You said take our ass."
Yeah. I literally woke up, like I was watching YouTube videos, listening to the waves, chilling. And mind you, we're on Pacific Coast Highway. Everybody knows what Pacific Coast Highway is. I'm pretty sure even if you don't live here, okay? And now look it up. So, I told you, look at all that. They had one job. This is like a bloody murder scene. They had one job. I told you I don't like all that tomato sauce. If I would have ate that, I ain't gonna be able to eat pizza the rest of my life. Anyway, Pacific Coast Highway is where Zone 1 was filmed. So, if you say that, then you know. So we sitting there on this busy highway.
That's PCA.
Okay, they still show the beach.
Yeah. Not everyone knows what Zoe 101 is.
Okay, well I just explained what PCH is.
Okay.
Anyways, PCH is Pacific Coast Highway. It's a street along the beach in California. That is very long, yeah. So it's 2 lanes. Mind you, it's Saturday, so it's people everywhere. It took like a long time to find a parking spot. Like first of all, yeah,
it took us like 2 hours to get there and find a spot.
Yes, so that's how traffic it was. So we found a spot. I'm sitting there watching videos. As cars literally stop by me in traffic, and there's people playing in the water on the right side. So I'm sitting here looking at YouTube videos. So then I started to fall asleep, and my phone started to fall on my face. So that's why I just put it down, And then I laid down and I just closed my eyes. I wasn't trying to go to sleep because I'm like, both of us can't be asleep with the windows down on this highway. Sure enough, boy, I woke up, sat up, and I heard a motorcycle, and he was like, and I was like, and we was knocked out. We was knocked out. But best believe it felt good. We needed that. Not to mention, both of us couldn't even sleep last night
because it was hot.
I literally felt like I almost passed out in my room sleeping, trying to go to sleep. I had to wake up and go in the living room.
At like 4 a.m., I texted her a picture of an air conditioner saying, I'm going to get this.
And I responded, close up. You know, it was like, at this point, I just need something better than that fan. We was dead last night, boy. So, we slept on the side of the highway.
It ain't dangerous. It's just beach bums. That's all it is. They don't care about us, and we don't care about them.
Nope. But it was fun and relaxing.
It was nasty.
You finally done? You finally off of Little Caesars, or you still gonna want some more?
I mean, I ain't had a Little Caesars in a quick minute before Chelsea came along.
Look at all this blood. Look at all that blood. Don't nobody want that much tomato sauce on their stuff. They're weird. What you doing?
I'm dipping it in the sauce. If y'all want to, y'all could come with us to get a drink and then just hear us burp, and then I'll end the video. Yeah. Key clear. Here's cold outside.
Can you give me hand sanitizer?
It's empty.
It's empty, y'all. It's empty. But yeah, I'm sitting here with hand sanitizer on my hands. And my knee. And y'all may well ask, why y'all wearing the same thing? Because we can.
And
We
this is airy, and this
It's comfortable.
is hot outside. Or was.
And it was comfortable.
Right now, it's 7:04 and it's 88 degrees. But we by the ocean. Once we head that way,
It's over.
It's gonna go to 100 degrees.
Oh, dang!
His bike is spit out. I'm jealous.
He ain't no, that is definitely fat people friendly. Ain't no way you falling off of that. You ain't catching a flat no time soon. We wore the same thing like the first time.
In the video?
No. We wore the same thing about maybe 5 times in our lifetime together. We get stares, but we get stares whether we wear nothing or it is what it is.
Do y'all think we look like twins?
I kind of see it, but not really.
I don't see it.
I think that people, like my grandma said, like when you hang out with somebody, then you eventually start to look like them from other people's point of view. Like they get you mixed up. Remember when, well, I can't say their names, they in high school. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody got them mixed up because they was best friends. But see, we not the type of best friends that I don't look like her. She ugly. Well, she does that to me sometimes, but
I never said that in my life. I just say I don't see it because I don't. You said it before.
I never said that.
I don't call people ugly, so get your wife together.
Shut up. In this video alone, you said somebody was ugly.
Who?
That passed by.
Who?
Stop burping.
I gotta get it out. Stop burping.
I gotta get it out. We annoying.
I don't sound like a man. Anyways, bye guys.
Throw this out the window.
I'm not throwing that.
I don't want this big ass box up in here smelling like cheese feet. Dang. There's a trash can right here, y'all.
You gonna drive away soon?
Alright, let me put my seatbelt on. You gotta be safe. Can't break the law.
I do it all the time.
As we litter.
As we litter. No, it's a trash can right here.
It really is. Everybody throwing their stuff in this bush.
Drive away. You gotta be quicker than that. Jesus. I call.
Hey. I do not like this thing at all.
Say bye.
Bye, guys. Before I bust a cap in somebody's ass driving.
Don't try to hide it, I'ma make it my appearance. Cake, 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 cake.